Nicola Smith, one of the development officers at the SCQF Partnership. The SCQF, Scotland's National Qualifications Framework, can be a valuable tool when it comes to recruitment and retention of staff. The SCQF for Employers is a day-long interactive workshop aimed at employers who would like to further develop their understanding of the SCQF and how it can be used to best effect in recruitment, workforce development and planning. We will look at how to assign an SCQF level to a job role, use the SCQF effectively in recruitment, recognise the skills and experience of existing employees, and source suitable training. We will also discuss wider issues related to recruitment, staff development, workforce planning, and employee retention, and how understanding and using the SCQF can help with these. This workshop is free and you can book your place today.